Hola everyone, my name is Tinmay Arcenas and welcome to another episode of Navigating Life in My 30s. I'm a proud Masbatenya and today's episode is very close to my heart because I was born and raised in the beautiful island of Masbate. So let me take you on a virtual tour of my home province. Hamus na sa lugar sa mga gwapo ni cowboys kag mga maganda ni cowgirls, the rodeo capital of the Philippines, Masbate. Our province is part of the Bicol region and is made up of three major islands: the Masbate mainland, Burias Island, and of course my home island, Ticao Island. Masbate is located at the center of the Philippine archipelago, composed of 20 municipalities and one city, which are politically subdivided into three districts. People in our province are called Masbateños and there are more than 3 dialects used here. There's more to our province than just being the ranch capital of the country. It is also a home to beautiful beaches, amazing falls, unique rock formations, artistic people, and more. We are truly blessed with natural wonders, and I am thrilled to share with you some of my fave tourist spots in our province. First is the Katandayagan Falls located in my hometown, San Jacinto, Ticao Island. And I believe this is the only waterfalls in the Philippines that empties its water directly to the sea. Another waterfalls in my hometown is the Dalakit Falls. Look at this fascinating 3-meter high waterfall cascading into a crystal clear pool. It is just perfect for those who want to get intimate with nature. Swimming here is so therapeutic. Next is the Halea Nature Park located in Monreal, Ticao Island. This is a beautiful beach cove. Its crystal clear waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. This place is a true gem to those who want to experience the island's laid-back vibe. Of course, we also have the stunning Burubangcaso Islet and Rock Formation, which is also located in Monreal, Ticao Island. Let me take you to the top where the stunning panoramic views from above the rocks will leave you speechless. Next on my list is where luxury meets affordability, the Beatriz Rafaela Resort in Balod, Masbate. This is a must-visit place if you're seeking luxury and relaxation without breaking the bank. Guys, this is not a sponsored video ha, it is just my genuine recommendation. I'm just impressed by the place, especially the ambience, the luxurious villas, the great service, the stunning view, the powdery white sand beach, basta kadamo sang gusto ko about sa nina lugar. And of course, my next fave is a must-try event, not a place. The most anticipated cowboy-themed festival, the Rodeo Festival, showcasing the province culture and traditions. Mark your calendars for April and get ready for the ultimate rodeo adventure. These destinations top my recommendation list pero damo-damo pagayad ang magtahom na mga lugar sa atong probinsya na angay lang makilala, makita, kag maabot san kadamuan. Baw syempre pagkaayo gid magtilaw san manamit na mga pagkaon san probinsya kag magpasyar sa mga gwapa na lugar, kapakatahom magkita san pagpahuway san adlaw, ug nindot kaayo magtan-aw san matin-aw murag kristal na dagat. Indeed, living in the countryside puts you closer to nature. Our home island may not be perfect, but its beauty lies in its imperfections. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual tour and tell me what's your favorite part of my vlog or where would you like to visit. Be part of my family to see more videos from me. See you in my next video. Mwah!